So now we are at this row here. First we are going to do 15 white stitches and then we will start the pattern. 15, and we change the color, close with the blue. Okay, so next one is going to be 2 blue stitches, 2 white stitches, 3 blue stitches. 1, 3 blue stitches, last one, and we close with the white. And now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches, and 2 blue stitches, last one close with the white. And next is going to be 3 white stitches, 5 blue stitches, 3 white stitches. So now I have finished this row until the end, and now we have 2 blue stitches, 2 white stitches, 3 blue stitches. Okay, so now we start 2 blue stitches. Okay, last 3 blue stitches, close with the white. So now we have 2 white stitches, 2 blue stitches. And now we are here, so we have another 15 white stitches, and then we go the back. So I will meet you around here. Okay, so now we are here. First we need to do 16 white stitches. 16, and the last one we close with the blue color. Okay, so now the pattern is like this: 2 blue, 2 white, 1 blue, 2 blue. Now the pattern continues: 2 white, 2 blue. So now we have 3 white, 7 blue, 3 white. Okay, 3 white and close with the blue. So now we are going to repeat one more time the pattern, okay, from here until here, same as this one. We are going to repeat one more time, okay. So now we are here, and now the pattern is 2 blue, 2 white, 1 blue, and blue, 1 blue, close with the white. Of course, this one we need is just 1. And next one is 2 white, 2 blue. So the next one is just another 16 white stitches, and then we do it to the back, and then I will meet you here. Okay, so now we are at this row over here. Now we are going to do 17 white stitches, then we will start the pattern. 17, and we close with a blue color. And now we are going to start the pattern: 2 blue, 3 white, 2 blue, 1 blue. Next one is 3 white, 9 blue, 3 white, and 3, and we close with the blue. Okay, so now we are here. Now we have 2 blue, 3 white, 2 blue. Okay, 1, 2, and we finish this pattern here. Now we have 17 white stitches and then hold back. So I will meet you over here. So now we are going to start this row over here. First we are going to do 18 white stitches. 18, and we close with the blue color. Okay, so now we have 2 blue stitches, 1 white stitch, 2 blue stitches. 1. Now we have 3 white stitches, 11 blue stitches, 3 white stitches. 1, 3 white stitches, close with the blue. And now we have 2 blue stitches, 1 white stitch, 2 blue stitches. 2 blue stitches, and the last 2 blue stitches, and we close with the white. Now we will repeat the pattern one more time. 3 white stitches, 11 blue stitches, 3 white stitches. So 3 white stitches, and now we have 2 blue stitches, 1 white stitch, 2 blue stitches, and 2, and we close with the white. Okay, so next is just 18 white stitches, and then we do the back, and I will meet you here. Okay, so now we are going to do the next row, and the next row is over here. So we are going to do the white stitches first until here, and then we will start the pattern. Okay, so 19. So I forgot to tell you, it's 19 stitches, 19 white stitches. Okay, and now we start the pattern, which is 3 blue stitches, 3 white stitches. 1. Okay, so now next is 13 blue stitches. 1 and 13, and we close with the white color. Okay, we have 3 white stitches, 3 blue stitches, 3 white stitches. 1 and 3, and we close with the blue. The next is again 13 blue stitches. 1 and 13, and we close with the white. Okay, next one we have 3 white stitches, 3 blue stitches. 2 and 3, and of course we close with the white, the last stitch. And the pattern now is 19 white stitches until the end. So we will do 19 white stitches all the back, and then I will meet you over here, the last one. Okay, so now I have finished all the way back. Now we have here the last row of this pattern. So now we are going to do 20 white stitches, and then we will continue the pattern. Okay, so 1 and 20, and the last one we close with the blue color, of course. So now we are going to do the pattern, which is 1 blue stitch, 3 white stitches. 1 blue stitch. Now we have 15 blue stitches. 1 and 15, the last one. We will close with a white stitch with a white color. So the last one we will close with a white color, and then the pattern is 3 white stitches, 1 blue stitch, and 3 white stitches. Okay, 1, 3, and of course we close with a blue color. Next is 15 blue stitches. 1 and 15, and of course we close with a white color. So the pattern now is 3 white stitches, 1 blue stitch. 1. Next the pattern is 20 white stitches. So let's do 20 white stitches all the way around, and then we will be up here, and here at the top we have 2 rows with only white stitches. Okay, so let's finish this and then all the way back, and then when we come back we still have another 2 white rows to go. Okay, so I will meet you over here. So this is what we have done until now. I have also finished these 2 rows with the white color over here, and now we are ready to start the 3 lines, and then we will just close the bag. So this is more or less the pattern, and I think it's very nice. Yeah, okay, so now we are going to continue our pattern over here. So we are going to do 8 white stitches, and then we will follow with 69 blue stitches, and then the remaining 8 white stitches at the end. And 69, and I will close with the white color. And now we have 8 white stitches, and then all the way back. Okay, and I will meet you here. Okay, so the last blue row that's already finished. I have finished it here, if you see. Now we have 8 white more stitches, and then we have finished this pattern. But as you see from my other bag here, I have done 3 white rows and then another 4 black ones. Okay, because I need to attach the zipper here. So now I will do 3 more white rows here, and then 4 blue rows. So I will meet you there, okay, when the whole project is done, and I will show you my result. Okay, so here we are. As you see, I have already finished the 3 rows with the white color and 4 rows with the blue color. So now our crochet part is finished. I will put a lining inside with a blue color, and also I will put a blue zipper here because I feel it's more beautiful like that. So this is our result for now, and so you see this is the pattern and this is the final one. So I will put the zipper, I will put the lining inside, and I will come back to you with a final product. Okay, so there it is. I think it's pretty nice. I already did this tassel here, and of course I put on the zipper, as you see here, and then I have also made a blue lining inside. So this is our final project, and I actually love this one a lot, and I hope you like it too. Just give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new, and I will have more videos, DIY, crochet, Wayuu bags and things like that. So if you are interested, follow, subscribe and like, okay?